Dear students, in this video we are going to see how to prepare a royalty table in royalty accounts. Royalty table can also be called as analytical table. To prepare the royalty table, you need to draw 8 columns. The first column is year, the second column is output, the third column is royalty, the fourth column is minimum rent, fifth column is short working, sixth column is short working recouped or recovered, seventh column is short working lapsed or short working irrecoverable. The last column is amount payable to landlord. Now question is given to you. Year, first year, second year, third year, fourth year. Output is given 1000 units, 3000 units, 4000 units, 5000 units. Minimum rent is given 10,000. Royalty is given 3 per unit. Short workings recouped within 3 years. This is the information given to you. For this information, we are supposed to prepare a royalty table. So just fill out the first and second column for the question. Here is 1, output is 1000 units. Here is 2, output is 3000 units. Here is 3, output is 4000 units. Here is 4, output is 5000 units. Now we go with the royalty. So royalty equal to output is multiplied with rate per unit. So output is given in column number 2. Column number 2 is multiplied by rate per unit is rupees 3. So column number 3 royalty. So royalty is calculated by output is multiplied with the rate per unit. So output is given in column number 2. Rate per unit is 3 is royalty. So royalty equal to 1000 units into 3 become 3000. 3000 into 3 rupee 9000, 4000 into 3 12,000, 5000 into 3 15,000. Now minimum rent is given in the question 10,000 per annum. 10,000, 10,000, 2,000, 10,000. Now short working. If the royalty is less than the minimum rent, the difference is called as a short working. So here we see we have to compare. Royalty is 3,000, minimum rent is 10,000. So royalty is less than the minimum rent, so the difference 7,000 called as short working. Second, royalty is 9,000, minimum rent is 10,000. Royalty is less than the minimum rent of 1,000. This 1,000 is called as short working. Then see the third one. Royalty is more than the minimum rent. The difference is 2,000. That is called as surplus. Then here also royalty is more than the minimum rent. The difference is 5,000. That is also called as surplus. Now come to the question here. Short working recovered within 3 years. So if we incur any loss, it should be recovered in 3 years. So this is the first year. We incurred losses, so we cannot recover. Second year also we incurred losses, we cannot recover. So what is the total loss is what? 8,000, and profit here is surplus is 2,000. So we can recover 2,000. Now 7 plus 1, 8,000. Out of 8,000, we recouped 2,000. The remaining 6,000 is lapsed because we are supposed to recover the loss within 3 years, not more than that. So the difference amount should be entered in the last column. Fourth year dash it. We have profit in fourth year 5,000, but as per the terms and agreement, it is given in the question. Short workings are recovered in 3 years. This is the first year, second year, third year. More than that, you should not recover. That is what this implies. Short working are recovered in 3 years. Now amount payable to landlord. We need to compare. For this is royalty or minimum rent. We need to compare and the highest value minus if you have short working recouped, that should be deducted. The remaining amount is paid to the landlord. The amount payable to calculate. For this you need to compare royalty and minimum rent. We have to take the highest value. From that, if we have any short working recovered, that should be deducted. The remaining amount should be shown in the column number 8. So here see the royalty is 3,000, minimum rent is 10,000, the highest is 10,000. From that, see the column number 6. If you have any amount in the recouped column, it should be deducted. So 10,000 minus 0 become 10,000. Here 9,000 or 10,000, the highest is 10,000. From this no recouped, so 10,000. Then here is 12,000, 10,000, the highest is 12,000, royalty is 12,000, minimum rent is 10,000. Compare the highest is 12,000, from the deduct recuped 2,000. 12,000 minus 2,000 become 10,000. Then next is 15,000, 10,000. Highest is 15,000, there is no recuped, so 15,000 minus 0 become 15,000. This is the royalty table for the